Nhlamulo Ndlela produces drug test results, demands apology from Shivambu amid explosive Umkhonto weSizwe Party fallout. A political storm continues to brew within the Umkhonto weSizwe Party as the national spokesperson Nhlamulo Ndlela hit back at former Secretary General Floyd Shivambu, publishing medical test results that appear to clear him of allegations of drug and alcohol abuse. This follows a string of scathing public remarks made by Shivambu, who accused Ndlela of being a liar, takes drugs, and is always under the influence of alcohol. In a move aimed at defending his integrity, Ndlela released toxicology results from Lancet Laboratories via his official X account, stating he tested negative for a comprehensive list of substances. The results confirmed that Ndlela tested negative for alcohol, cannabis, THC, cocaine, amphetamines, including methamphetamine, opiates such as heroin, morphine, and codeine, barbiturates, methaqualone, and vancomycin. However, when approached for verification, Lancet Laboratories said they could neither confirm or deny the authenticity of test results due to patient confidentiality protocols. The allegations and counter-statements have escalated into a legal showdown. Ndlela, through his legal representatives, has issued a formal ultimatum to Shivambu, demanding a public apology and full retraction of the statements within 48 hours. The statement said, "Our client, Nhlamulo Ndlela, has been subjected to a vicious campaign of lies and character assassination. Social media cannot be treated as a lawless frontier where reputations are destroyed without consequence." The legal notice demands that Shivambu issue an unconditional public apology, publish a retraction on his X account, and pin it for 7 days, and contact ENCA to broadcast a correction. Should he fail to comply, Ndlela's legal team has warned of impending litigation and plans to sue substantial damages. Shivambu, however, appears undeterred. In a recent interview with the SABC, he claimed that thousands of South Africans, some from within the ANC, DA, EFF, and even senior MK party members have joined his new initiative, the National Consultation Team, as volunteers. He also made a startling revelation about the party's formation, alleging that former President Jacob Zuma once offered him the MK party's presidency, which he declined out of tremendous respect for Zuma's leadership. But Ndlela has brushed off the remarks, accusing Shivambu of arrogance and sowing division, responding to further allegations made by Shivambu, such as claims that 7 million rand is being siphoned monthly from party coffers. Ndlela said he has never raised the issue of the 7 million rand within the party. This is simply untrue. The public spurt marks a deepening crisis for the MK party, which has gained rapid traction since its formation. Ndlela acknowledged internal tensions but remained defiant and said Umkhonto weSizwe Party is a strong party. It is the fastest growing political party in this country. We are bound to have alien tendencies that are not cultural to the party. As the party's internal war plays out in full view of the public, all eyes are now on Shivambu's next move. Will he comply with the demands or dig in his heels? For now, the MK party faces not only internal discord but also a battle for public trust, one that could define its future. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.